And I'm over here in the corner pulling up this carpet, and there's mold all back here in the corner. Yuck. Just bought a motorhome, so I'm riding in the RV, and here we go. Normally the topics for videos on my channel revolve around the vending business, but today I decided to share something a little different. Alright, so I removed the microwave, and I'm definitely gonna have to do something with these cabinets up here. And there's the microwave down here. I got some paint. I'm getting ready to paint. And I'm over here in the corner pulling up this carpet, and there's mold all back here in the corner. Okay, so I bought this Sawzall, and now I'm getting ready to cut this out. Let's see how this works out. Okay, and here we go. Gotta get rid of this board with the mold on it. See how it looks under here. I gotta have to seal this. Yuck. Look at that. Okay, I gotta cut all this stuff out of here. And I gotta get this seat up because I can't get these up. Okay, so I finally got the seat off. Now I have to figure out how to get these off because they're stuck in there. Okay, so we got a big hole in the floor here now. Time to repatch this wood. And 17 inches is perfect for the area I need cut right here. Okay, so we have 17 inches here. Okay, finally, after cutting it a whole bunch of times, it finally fits. Now I gotta cut this in. This isn't gonna be an easy cut because there's a metal frame all under here. So I gotta take my time with it. And I have to adjust this blade a little bit because it's slightly bent. But be careful because these will break easy. And anytime you're gonna mess with the blade, make sure you take the battery out and that you also have it on safety, just in case. There we go, looks pretty straight again. Okay, and that I can just cut with my blade. So I have to put this insulation on the bottom of the wood. That way it's under the motorhome and it's a water resistant and it helps prevent any more mold. And if you need to get any of this stuff for your own projects, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to order the same one. Okay, next I'm gonna caulk all these seams right here. So I'm gonna use this little caulk gun and have a couple things here. I have liquid nails and I have Chem Link M1 structural adhesive sealant. And this is a little caulk gun. You can get these anywhere. You can get them at Lowe's, you can get them at Home Depot, you can get them at Walmart, and you just pull this little piece back. And on this piece here, you just push this in and pull it straight back. And it goes in just like that. And there's a little thing right here on the edge where you can clip the tip. You don't want to put it straight in. It's better to do it kind of at an angle. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't cut that good. But you can just cut it straight off with a pair of scissors or a blade. Okay, so sometimes the wood will be a little bowed and it's sticking up over here. So I'm gonna put this little 50-pound dumbbell right over here to add some weight to it until it dries. And then I'm gonna re-caulk this. Okay, and it's nice and sealed from underneath. So it's been over 24 hours now and everything's nice and dry. And this caulk ended up drying up really good here. And I have a few different vinyl pieces here that I'm gonna end up using for the floor. I have some white ones and some black ones. So we'll see how I end up doing the design. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Okay, I'm about to try an experiment here. I have a little bit of white paint that I poured in here. And over here, I have 3 different color paints. And we're gonna put them in here and we're gonna pour it out and see what kind of a design it makes. And here's the result right here. So I'm gonna try it out right here in this little groove space. We're gonna pour it in here and see what happens. See if it will make like a mold. Ooh, look how that's looking. That is looking nice. Ooh, look at that. That's almost like a a granite or a marble countertop.